Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Princess and I'm so glad that you have decided to join me for a video today. So if you have stumbled across this video, it has to be for one of two reasons. Either you are a makeup enthusiast and you love lip glosses, specifically you love nude lip glosses, or you are a business owner and you enjoy watching these types of videos. So here on my channel, I do entrepreneur vlogs because I am the proud owner of iAmPrincess Beauty. I do beauty videos, so makeup tutorials, hair videos, and then we also talk a little bit about lifestyle things. And so this video today is kind of a mixture of two of the things that I talk about here on my channel: beauty as well as entrepreneur videos. So today I'm sharing lip swatches of my full nude lip gloss line from my business, iAmPrincess Beauty. I have a total of 13 nude lip gloss shades. That's right, y'all, 13. I went nude lip gloss crazy. I just really wanted to create, first and foremost, a very unique line of nude lip glosses. I didn't want my nude lip glosses to be like everybody else's. So when I set out on this project to create these by myself, by hand, I do make my own lip glosses. I just wanted them to be unique, and I didn't want them to be like every other businesses, you know, small businesses lip glosses. So that was a challenge for myself, and I'm very proud of what I've created. I have 13 lip glosses with a variety of undertones and shades, and y'all, call me crazy, but I'm working on expanding this nude collection because we know that there are so many nudes. You know, melanin is so I mean, it's so diverse. Like, there's so many standards of nude, and I just want to make sure that my brand, my makeup brand, represents diversity. And so, yeah, I don't want this video to be too, I don't want this intro to be too long. So I'm about to go ahead and wrap it up. I just want to say again, thank you so much for stumbling across my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please, in the comment section, drop a comment letting me know which one is your favorite nude shade. I have links to my website and my Instagram and everything in the description box below, as well as a coupon code for you guys if you choose to support your girl. I would really appreciate it. And last but not least, before we get into these lip swatches, just wanted to let you guys know that I am having a giveaway on my Instagram. I'm giving away my summer collection, or one of the summer collections that I launched this summer. It includes a lash trio of faux mink lashes. It also includes a pair of mink lashes. And it includes 3 lip glosses from a summer collaboration that I did with a Canadian makeup artist. So these are the 3 glosses. This one is called Cat Dad, this one is Islander, and this one is Queen of the North. So yeah, that giveaway is going on my Instagram, so you'll have to check out my Instagram for rules on how to enter. Anywho, let me stop talking because I'm so excited for you guys to see the lip glosses. Okay, so again, thank you for watching and enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Be blessed.
You love me no longer, I know, and maybe there is nothing that I can do to make you do. Mama tells me I shouldn't bother, that I ought just stick to another man, a man that surely deserts me, but I think I do. I cry, I pray, I cry, I pray, I cry. next day. Reason will not lead to solution. I will end up lost in confusion. I don't care if you really care, as long as you don't. Sure